poison that got you in this mess. I must confess, I love the way the people them live, so refreshing, getting through the life without no messing around. Proud of your working class spirit, give me inspiration till the day that I die. Take it easy, Matty, no need to get ratty when you see the way the world can destroy a human being. It's just another day.